37 cottages are being removed from Long Beach West in Stratford, Connecticut. The area was home to a summer community until a bridge fire on Father's Day in 1996 virtually cut the cottages off from the mainland. In the recent years, the structures have been unoccupied and deteriorating. 4 buildings were destroyed in fires, most recently in June 2010. Once the buildings are removed, the service will be working with Ducks Unlimited to restore the barrier beach to its native condition. This will provide beach nesting habitat for the federally threatened piping plover and benefit a wide variety of migratory birds, including the American oystercatcher and least tern, both considered species of concern. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service worked with multiple partners to make this project happen, including the Trust for Public Land, the Town of Stratford, the Connecticut Department of Environmental Protection, Audubon Connecticut, and many others. This project provides a unique opportunity for the service and its partners. It's not often that developed coastal land can be restored to its native habitat. The Long Beach West Restoration Project will have great benefits to both people and wildlife.